Hello guys, good morning. Today I want to fry my garri. I want to fry this. First of all, I have to peel it. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me in my page, in my YouTube channel, Abibola Glory. In my page, Africa Hairstyle. Please follow me. As you do so, the God Almighty will bless you. If you not subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for, guys? Help your sister, show me love. Show me love. If you not follow me for my page, you will miss you, guys. Help your sister, show me love. As you do so, the God will bless you. God will bless you. Guys, see the cassava. I don't peel and finish. The next step now to cut on small so that it will let you blend. You cut on small. Hello guys, see the cassava. I already cut and finish. As you do so, you go wash and put on for blender. You blend it.
Good.
Hello guys, see the cassava. I don't blend down for blender. See the remaining one. See the one I blend before. Guys, I just put a little red oil. Depends of your chest. If you need all the red oil, you can put. If you don't need all the oil, you can leave it. Hello guys, yeah, you take chiffon cloth to press the water out for the cassava, and you will take this filter, this smallest filter, to filter out so that it will smooth, so that it will let you fry. Guys, you will take like cloth like this to press the water out. See the water. I will get starch for this water. That is why I reserve this water. See the cassava, guys. I don't filter and I want to start the fryer now. Low heat, guys. Low heat. Number 4. Hello, guys. See, let they fry the cassava. Let's fry. Hello guys, see the garri. See the garri, guys. You see the garri. Hello guys, see the cassava. You see the smoke, very beautiful. You see the smoke. If you use this cassava, turn a bit drinky. You will like the sweetness, my guys. You will like the sweetness. Please help your sister, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me in my page, Africa Hairstyle. As you do so, the God Almighty will bless you. The God Almighty will bless you. I do this video for cassava to garri. I do for my YouTube before, but because I just play a small record English sing, they just block my video. They say it's a copyright. That is why I do it again. Guys, you see the beautiful, see the smoke. See the smoke. This garri is a natural. I heard they do so. Thank you, my brothers, my sister. Bye. I love you. Bye.